Today let's talk about how to drive your car nose first into a space when the lane is quite narrow. Say for example when you're charging a new energy vehicle or something like that. If we want to drive in nose first into the bay, the first thing is to keep as far away from the bay as possible. Don't go saying, hey, you've driven in and then you still don't pull over to the other side, right? If you come in right up against the entrance to the bay, then the angle you've got to work with is far too tight. What's that going to cause? If you turn too early, right? Turn too late and the front won't get in, yeah? So what if we turn a bit earlier? The back end scraped again, so we really need to make sure that when you drive in, you keep well away from the bay. Just steer a bit more towards the opposite side of the bay entrance, that way you'll leave plenty of space on this side. And then, when we're pulling into the bay, try not to turn the wheel too early or too late. If you turn too late, the front won't make it through and it's hard to adjust. Turn too early and you'll end up hitting it just like before. So we should aim to go forward until the front wheel has passed the side of that car. If you turn the wheel now, you can be sure the back of the car definitely won't hit it. So how can I tell from inside the car when the front wheel has passed the side? Just watch the wing mirror. Once the mirror lines up with the side of that car, the front wheel will definitely have passed, because of where your wheels sit.